Good afternoon, folks. Got a 2009 Cedar Creek Silverback 33 IK. This unit is a triple slide 4-season. Beautiful rear living floor plan in exceptional shape. Everything does what it's supposed to do. Theater seats, trifold couch, fireplace, large TV, island kitchen, residential refrig. Has the Quiet Comfort AC system in it with 2 rooftop air conditioners. Of course, look at the shower. Large bathroom, king size bed, washer dryer prep. Folks, this is absolutely beautiful. Switzer and Son Select Auto and RV Sales, Tulsa, Oklahoma. 918-299-3361, SwitzerandSon.com.